Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Codeforces round 917 division 2 second problem, erase first or second letter. So let's take a look at the problem statement. So here you have given a string s of length n and you can perform following operations. You can remove the first character or you can remove the second character of the string. So your task is to find number of distinct non-empty string that can be generated by applying the given operation on the initial string any number of times, possibly 0 in any order. Okay, so first in input we have given test case t and the length of the string and the string. Okay, so we have to output the number of distinct non-empty strings you can get. So we'll have a look at the test cases. So this one, what we are given here is I can remove this first element or even I cannot. So what if I do 0 operation, my first string will be this only. If I remove this, okay, so I will have this. So after one operation I can have this. Okay, and if I remove this, like, okay, so now what I can do is I can remove first also and second also. If I do this both, then I will have this. So my this will also count as my distinct integer a. Now I can, as mentioned here, is I can perform the following operation any number of times. So let's say I say that I just remove this first element, second element, then this is the first element, then I remove this, then I'll have this. Okay, and this will be my distinct string. Now okay, and now I can remove this first element, this, second, and then first this, then second this, then I'll have this. So in this way I can have 5 distinct strings. Okay, 5 distinct strings. Okay, similarly for z, for only just this z, there is only one element in the string, so maximum we can get 1 distinct string. And for the third, let's see what we are going to do. So we have 5 a b a b a. Okay, so what my approach is going to be, let me first I can observe here is, see, as I can perform the operation as many number of times as I can. So here I can basically observe is, firstly I can have a string of length 1 which will contain single integer, like single string only, a string of length 1 only, that is here unique elements are a and b, so this can be my string. Then I can have a b, then a b a, then a b a b a, and like so on, so many. Okay, so what's our approach is going to be in for this one. Let's say for 5 a, let's say I store it in a set. Okay, so what set does basically is, set stores the unique elements only. So let's say first I just run a iterate through this string. So first I'll go for I is equals to 0 and I'll insert this set. Okay, this is unique, so set will take this and my size of the set will be set size will be here 1. Okay, then I'll go for next I is equals to 1, which will contain A and B. Okay, both B is also unique, it's so now size will be 2. Okay, and then when comes this for A, then it won't store it, then still size will be 2, and so on. So what, like till I is equals to 0 to 4, I is going to size of the set is going to be 2 only. Okay, so let's say for I is equals to 0, let's say I have an answer as I have a variable as answer which is initialized to 0. If I is equals to 0 for the string a, okay, for this now set size will be for this okay, as I'll insert A in set, so size will be 1. So what I'll do is I'll add this size in my answer. I'll keep on adding it in the loop, so it will be this. Then for I is equals to 1, size will be 2. Okay, then now answer is what, here answer value is 1. So in this 1, what we will do is we'll add the new size, that is now size will be 3. For I is equals to 3, 1, then 2. The A and B, the size will still be 2 only. Then we'll add again 3 plus 2, which will be 5. For I is equals to 3, size will be 2 only. So 5 plus 2 will have 7. And for I is equals to 4, still I size will be 2 only. Then answer is initial was 7 plus 2, and our loop will stop and will simply print the answer, that is 9. Now let me explain elaborately how this code is working. So let's say firstly set has A. Okay, so with this I can have a string as A. Then set contain for I is equals to 0, for I is equals to 1. Okay, then set has for I is equals to 1 A and B. Then for this I'll remove this first element A, and I have A. Initially I have A. Then I'll have B. Okay, and then I'll have A, B both, or let's say I don't mix with this A. So let's say this. So what I will do is I have A initially, so I'll remove first element B, and if I perform 0 operation I'll have A, B. Then for I is equals to 2, I'll have again A, B, A, but A won't be counted, but it will be like I'll have this, I'll remove the first element, then I'll have B, A, and the whole element A, B, A. So what I am doing here is removing the first element and writing the whole string. Then for as I is equals to 3, I'll have A, B, A, B. So what I'll do is first I'll remove this first, so it will be B, A, B, and then I will write the whole string. And for I is equals to 4, I will have A, B, A, B, A. So I'll remove first, it will be A, B, A, and then I'll have I'll write the whole string A, B, B, A. So we'll count now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, then 8, then wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 distinct string. Okay, so we'll look at the code. So what what I have done here, int t, I have taken the input, I'll run a while loop, that I'll take the input of n and the string. I have this answer initialized to 0. I will take a set, so I'll run a loop and I'll keep on inserting for I equals to 0 and like I did, and then I'll keep on incrementing the size, and I'll just simply output the answer value. So see, it works. That's it. Thank you.